You've had the chance to work through several typography theory lessons, but I wanted to take a quick pause to let you know your options. If you're enjoying the design theory section, I would encourage you to keep moving through this section. There are some really great color theory and layout lessons that lie ahead. There's even a new grid guide resource that you do not want to miss. For those students who are feeling a little more eager and you're ready to step into some software and start doing some projects and learn our first software in the course, Adobe Photoshop, those students can feel free at this time to skip to that section of the course. If you do decide to start diving into the software about now and the project sections, I still encourage you to come back at a later date and finish up the rest of the design theory lessons, as they really help build that design foundation when we start to put together more complex projects toward the middle and end of the course.